Bougie Babes. Y'all, I have not been on YouTube in such a long time, y'all. It's been a month. I keep doing that. Like, I keep dropping a video and then I keep, like, not making a video for, like, a whole month. And I'm so sorry, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, like, I keep going and then I drop one little thing and then I disappear. I'm so sorry, y'all. So yeah, today is a very like chill day for me, I guess. Kind of. I just came back from the doctor's office. Your girl is not pregnant. Which I already knew. I just had to go, I had to talk to them about like my birth control. And then these like Provera pills that help with like your uterus lining, so it helps like stop bleeding. If you've ever had like prolonged periods, like it helps stop that. Off birth control for like 2 weeks or something, and then it like messed up with like my hormones being imbalanced. So now we're like, we talked it out. We're trying to figure out what's gonna be best for me, switching birth controls maybe, just not, yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I know I told y'all I was gonna record what I was doing for the rest of the day. I lied. Right now I'm just trying on some Fashion Nova fits that I ordered off Fashion Nova. But anyway, so I have a bunch of clothes that I kind of bought. They're like, y'all, this I actually got from Fashion Nova, but I've already worn it. I just got these black pants. They're straight legs, probably a little boot cut to me, to be honest. I got these brown tights because it's tight season. If you know, you know. I got them in brown to give fall vibes, but the tights are a little loose, but they're not see-through, so the fabric is really good quality. That's to be honest, y'all, I didn't buy much. Oh, I bought a shirt. So I got 2 pairs of tights, 1 pair of pants, this top, and then I bought a shirt. Hold on, let me see if I can get it for y'all. So I got this shirt. It's so cute, y'all. And it's highly, like, it speaks volume for me. It says antisocial. The quality is, y'all should know, like, I'm a Fashion Nova girly now. So I got a bunch of, like, a lot of graphic tees. So anytime you see me, I got a graphic tee on. 9 times out of 10. But y'all, so I guess I'll record. This will be my last day recording, so I can go ahead and just dump this video out for tomorrow. I'm gonna be cooking some wings and some mac and cheese. Yeah, your girl can cook. Anyways, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the next video. Don't mind me looking crazy, y'all, but so I'm about to, hold on. I'm about to go get my tripod, y'all, but I wanted to show y'all that I'm making wings. Just this. I got the ones with like that little sharp ending, so I had to like take them off. But this is all the seasoning I'm using. Anyways, y'all, let me look at my tripod so it's easy, you know, because it's look crazy holding it the entire time. Okay, y'all, so this is all the seasoning I'm using for like my wings to season. So we're making Parmesan, and I bought this garlic sauce because I'm hoping it's good. I'm hoping it's good. I've never even used it. I'm not a Parmesan wing girly, so let's hope. So yeah, so I'm about to actually get started on like just boiling my water for my mac and cheese. I use the rice cooker and it actually works really well with pasta too. And because I didn't feel like buying another pot. But I used the Elbow macaroni and cheese. We're just gonna get this, pop it in there. I put like a half a cup of water So we're not gonna put that much because it's only one of me. This is how I'm putting my mac and cheese. So this is mozzarella cheese mixed in with cheddar and then Monterey Jack cheese. And then I'm gonna put in my cream cheese, and then I got my heavy whipped cream, and then obviously some butter over here. Let me go ahead and mix this in first so it's like at the bottom of my pan. So my wings are done. I'm just getting the butter with the garlic, the butter with the parmesan garlic, y'all. I'm doing everything at once. So I just finished making my Parmesan wings, y'all, and they look so fire. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste it. And then my mac and cheese, y'all. Let me zoom out. My mac and cheese is busting like no other, y'all. And that, oh, hoo, hoo. The wings look so fire though too. The mac and cheese is a blessing, y'all. It's so good. I haven't even ate the wings yet, so I'm a little scared, but I'm about to log out. This is the end of this video, y'all. If y'all want to see more of me cooking, because I know it's busting over there, it's busting. If y'all want to see me cooking, let me know, and I'm gonna make some more cooking videos for y'all. Yeah, anyways, we out. Happy Halloween, horse. Bye.